Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll show you why your iPhone keeps saving photos to iCloud and how to fix it, so they stay on your device instead of the cloud. This usually happens when your iPhone storage is almost full, so the system starts moving files to iCloud instead of saving them locally. Here are the steps to fix this. First, open the Settings app. Tap your name or Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Tap Photos. Turn off Sync this iPhone or iCloud photos. When a prompt appears, choose Download Photos and Videos, not Remove, so everything stays on your device. Now go back to the Settings app. Tap Apps or scroll down and select Photos. Open Photos Settings. Make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is turned off or set it to Keep Originals. Next, check your iPhone storage again by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space for photos to be saved locally. Restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Then take a test photo and confirm that it shows under On My iPhone, instead of showing as downloaded from iCloud. Important note, when iCloud Photos is enabled, Apple automatically prioritizes cloud storage. Turning it off forces your photos to stay on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.